Today's headlines and news stories about home prices are confusing and make it tough to know what's really happening. Some say home prices are heading for a correction, but what do the facts say? Well, it helps to start by looking at what a correction means. Here's what Danielle Hale, chief economist at Realtor.com says. In stock market terms, a correction is generally referred to as a 10 to 20% drop in prices. We don't have the same established definitions in the housing market. In the context of today's housing market, it doesn't mean home prices are going to fall dramatically. It only means prices, which have been increasing rapidly over the last couple of years, are normalizing a bit. In other words, they're now growing at a slower pace. Prices vary a lot by local markets, but rest assured a big drop-off isn't what's happening at a national level. The real estate market is normalizing. From 2020 to 2022, home prices skyrocketed. That rapid increase was due to high demand, low interest rates, and a shortage of homes for sale. But that kind of aggressive growth couldn't continue forever. Today, price growth has started to slow down, which is a sign the market is beginning to normalize. The most recent data from Case-Shiller shows that after being basically flat for a couple months last year, prices are going up on a national level, not just as quickly as before. The big takeaways? So far this year, there have been a much healthier pace of price growth compared to the pandemic. Of course, that's what's happening now, but you may be wondering what's next for prices. Marco Santarelli, the founder of Norada Real Estate Investment, says, expert forecasts lean towards a moderation of home price growth over the next 5 years. This translates to a slower and more sustainable pace of appreciation compared to the breakneck speed witnessed in recent years, rather than a free fall in prices. It's all about supply and demand. Increasing inventory plus limited buyer demand due to relatively high mortgage rates will continue to ease some of the upward pressure on prices. Now, what does this mean for you? If you're thinking of buying a home, slowing price growth is welcome news. Skyrocketing home prices during the pandemic left many would-be home buyers feeling priced out. While it's still a good thing to know the value of a home you're going to buy will likely to go up once you own it, slowing price gains are making things feel more manageable. Odetta Cushy, chief deputy economist at First American, says, while housing affordability is low for potential first-time homebuyers, slowing price appreciation and lower mortgage rates could help, so the dream of home ownership isn't boarded up just yet. At the national level, home prices are not going down, and most experts forecast they'll continue growing moderately moving forward. But prices vary a lot by local market. That's where a trusted real estate agent comes into play. If you have questions about what's happening with prices in our area, reach out. Now, thank you for watching this video, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, be sure to hit the subscribe button and give us a like, and we'll see you next time.